Hi guys, I am Roxanne Liguran, BSIT student. So this video is about my reflection in lawful court order. So dito is, our constitution is giving a right to our privacy. Ibig sabihin nito is, hindi basta-basta may pwedeng pumasok sa ating bahay without any permission or reasons. But kung may probable cause at nag-issue yung judge ng lawful court order, so dito pa lang nila pwedeng gawin yung nararapat nilang gawin. For example is, may hinala sila na may illegal drugs sa aming bahay. So, kailangan muna nila ng search warrant before pumasok or maghalugog sa aming bahay para makahanap ng evidence sa illegal drugs. So, para sa akin is, mahalaga ito kasi dito na ipapakita yung balance and nire-respect nila yung privacy ko. Sa madaling salita is, nadadaan lahat ng bagay sa maayos at mabuting paraan without any conflict or problems na nangyayari. So, ayun guys, hanggang dito na lang. Bye.